Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you are watching. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways that I'm currently making money online in Kenya. So the number 1 way I am currently making money online in Kenya is by shooting videos and posting them on YouTube. So I recently got monetized sometime in late April, and basically what that means is that I have given YouTube the authority to post advertisements on my videos, and every time these advertisements are posted on my videos and you watch them, YouTube pays me some money. And for you to be able to make money through YouTube's partner program, you need to have at least 4,000 watch hours over a 365-day period and at least 1,000 followers on YouTube. And if you're interested in finding out how to get to these magic numbers, eligibility numbers, and some of the things that I wish somebody had told me when I was just starting out my YouTube channel, please check this video up here where I'm spilling all the tea on some of these things that if I had knew, then maybe my life on YouTube would have been different and much easier. So while I'm not making a lot of money through YouTube, I just got started recently, I'm confident that in a little while I'm going to be making a lot of money on YouTube. The number 2 way I am currently making money online in Kenya is through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing basically is whereby you use a product or a service, you like it, and you're so excited to share it with other people, and you make money when these other people use your affiliate link to make a purchase at no extra cost to them, and the owner of the product or the service pays you a commission because of this sale that you brought their way. And most of the affiliate links are posted either at the description box of my YouTube videos, but the most money that I make through affiliate marketing is through my travel blog. So although there isn't too much traveling that is currently ongoing, there's some little, I still have some significant traffic coming to my website, and when people click on these links, then I get paid a commission. So basically the 3 main affiliate products that made me the most money is booking.com, bluehost.com, and Airbnb. So these 3 affiliate marketing products have been making me the most money online, especially because my website is a travel website. So it only makes sense to promote more travel related products. The number 3 way that I currently make money online in Kenya is through advertising on my website. So if you visit my website ivamtali.com, you are likely to see advertisements here and there, and I'm currently signed up on the Google AdSense program. So this is basically where Google will put different advertisements on my website, and if you visit my website and click on these advertisements, then Google pays me some money. So again, I just started putting adverts on my website about a month or so ago, so it's not yet making too much money, but it's making some decent money there. And the fact that my website is a travel related website, I'm not getting as many visitors to my website as I used to do when the travel, pre-COVID, when people could freely travel. But there's still some other content there that is attracting traffic to my website. For example, issues around how to make money online, how to work from home, high-paying online jobs, and the like. The number 4 way that I make money online in Kenya is as a freelance business plan writer. So I've basically combined my experience in training in accounting and my love for writing, plus my experience in running multiple businesses to create a career as a freelance business plan writer. So in the past, I used to get my clients through the freelance platform Upwork.com, but currently most of my clients are those that I directly pitch or those who find me through my Facebook page as well as my website. Apart from business plan writing, I also work with different organizations and individuals to help them in writing grants to request for funding. So if you're interested in starting out as a freelance writer on the Upwork platform, you simply go to upwork.com and register your profile. Once you have registered your profile, you will wait for a period of between 24 to 48 hours and Upwork will get back to you whether they have approved your account or not. And if you're interested in learning the step-by-step process that I use to get my Upwork account approved, please check this video up here where I walk you through the step-by-step process that I use to get my Upwork account approved. The number 5 way that I'm currently making money online in Kenya is through my Etsy business. So Etsy is basically an online platform that brings together those who are looking for handmade items and those who are making handmade items and would like to sell them. So through the Etsy.com platform, I am currently selling African jewelry as well as sisal baskets. So if you're interested in finding out how you can start your own Etsy export business in Kenya, please check this link up here where I have posted an entire series of how to start your Etsy export business in Kenya. Where do you find shipping materials? What kind of products can you sell? Where do you ship your items? How much is shipping? Which are the best shipping providers? Those are some of the questions that I answer in those videos. Well, that's it for today in terms of how I am currently making money online in Kenya. Let me know what you think about this video. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, let me know how I can improve upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first person to know. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you on the next video. Bye-bye.